Gonna learn how to play the cup song.
Okay.
Right, I'll show you it to begin with, just so you know what you're going to be doing.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, I'll just go through the motions. So, clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle, would be cup. Clap, grab, slap, tap, move, tap, down.
Okay.
Done. Whatever. Okay, so let's go through the first bit. So, clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle. Okay.
Wait, which way does the bottle go?
Goes to your left. Okay.
With your left hand.
So, clap, clap, do it with Chris. Come on. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle. Chris, you were early.
So,
Clap, tap, 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 move, bottle. Okay. We'll do that a couple more times by yourself just to see if you got it.
alright.
Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle. Chris? Clap, tap, tap.
Wow.
Stay with the
Speedy
rhythm.
Gonzalez.
Stay with the rhythm. Clap, tap, 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 tap. Stay with it. Go with my tempo, okay? Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap. You missed the clap. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap. Move, bottle. Move. Right. Okay, so clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle. Next bit is clap, grab. Right. Yeah, it's kind of awkward claw hand.
Left hand.
Up, down. Slap, tap, grab, slap with your left hand, turn it over and down. So, clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle. Clap, grab, slap, tap, move, tap, done.
Okay.
So, let's go through it. Clap, grab, slap, tap, grab, slap, done. And this side of it, this is the tempo. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle. Clap, grab, slap, tap, da, da, da.
I don't know.
So it's pretty fast. Okay.
Go.
So, clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle, clap, claw, slap, clap, move, and down. Okay, let's try that again. Clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle, clap, grab, clap, and down. Did you do it, James?
I think I just did.
Chris, you have to keep with the rhythm. Sorry, you need to. James, you get gold star. Okay.
I want to see if I can
Chris,
actually do it.
Chris, let's see if you can outdo James.
There's a nut on the table.
Go with my motions. So, clap, 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 tap, 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 clap, move, bottle. If it's more comfortable that way, as long as you don't mess up the next motion, which is grabbing and slapping, then that's fine. Okay? So grab, clap, grab, slap, tap, move, and done. Okay. Okay, no. But you're getting there, it's okay. James, want to show me?
Okay.
Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, move, bottle, clap, awkward claw hand, slap, tap, move, and done. Now, you're getting the hang of it.
Alright.
Okay, let's go again. Clap, clap, tap, 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 move, bottle, clap, grab, slap, slap, okay! Well, that went a bit messy.
It's just the end bit.
You did it.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
it. So, once more time. Tap, 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 move, bottle, grab, slap, tap, and
Damn it. Right.
let's do it a little bit slower. Clap, 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 move, bottle, clap, grab, slap, tap, move, and done. There we go. Right. We're going to do it at the same pace that we just did it at, but without saying out the motions to see if you guys remember. Okay?
Okay.
So, go.
thought it was da da da. Yeah, okay, let's go.
A little bit fast, but that's okay. Let's do it again. So. Very nearly, we all just got it. Okay. Once more.
Yep.
Chris, I'm looking at you. You want to do that again?
Yeah. Do one clap. Why did we go really fast?
Okay, let's go slower again. Because that's the actual pace of it. Let's go slower again, so that's what we're going to do, okay? That's what I want.
You guys go really
Bazinga.
slow.
We go slow because we're trying to make James do
Alright.
that and also you, because you're missing out certain bits of it. So do it as fast as you want to and let me see how you do it. Try it again. Yeah. Imagine every single motion you're doing is completely
Right.
separate to the next
Let
one.
me try and do it fast.
Okay. You missed the slap down. So let's just go through it. So it's da 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 da. So that's how it goes. Okay?
Right. Why am I getting that wrong though?
So it's a little bit complex, but it's
Yeah,
okay.
let's go.
So da 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 da. Woo! We all did it. Awesome.
Good.